Have you ever wanted to see what is just around the Riverbend? Or what the Capitol building looks like from above? Did you know there's a secret stairway at Red Rock Amphitheater that leads to the most amazing seats in the world carved out of the rock? I'm the founder of k2kidd. I'm grateful for the opportunity to show the world as I observe the beauty below from above. I'm a professional drone pilot, and I'm currently flying the Mavic Pro 2. We created this channel with drones in mind. You will see everything from us fishing to cinematic footage of nature. You'll see us fly the silent streets of downtown Denver during the shutdown. Natural and man-made wonders. We plan to expand into FPV and SAP. Be mindful, we're drone pilots, not editors. So if you like what you see, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get a chance to see me fly my drone into a brick wall.